So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to whiten a teeth in Photoshop within a few seconds. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Now, create a hue and a saturation layer. We are trying to target the yellows on the teeth, so that is what you are going to work on. Click on the color picker and then pick color on the teeth. That is the yellow. Now, set the hue to 180 plus 180 and the saturation also 180. Now, try to regulate the range and try as much as possible to get all your teeth selected. Now, set the hue and the saturation back to 0. Now, set the lightness to around 90 to 100 range and then the saturation to -70. You can go back to the range and then try and balance the range so that you can get the white teeth you want. Doing so, this has affected the skin of the person and it looks very white. So what you are going to do is to go to the clipping marks, click on it and then press on your keyboard Ctrl+I to inverse the marks. Now take your brush to make sure your foreground is white and then brush around the teeth so it reveals the white teeth you just created. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the notification button so that every time we upload a video, you are the first person to get it. If you want to learn more, please check this video here and see how to make a pizza flyer design in Photoshop. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.